Hello and welcome to another video of EnglishGram. As you have read the title, that this video is about vocabulary and we are going to learn at least 3 new words today. You might have heard some of them or maybe all of them. And I will try to upload vocab videos every day. I will try my best. So let's see what's the first word we have for today. The first word is abacterial. It's an adjective and it means non-bacterial or free from bacteria. As we all know that bacteria are everywhere. They are in the ground, on the ground, in the air, on our skin, almost everywhere. So the example sentence is, we can't or we cannot live in an abacterial environment. The second word is ba, B-A-A, ba. It's a sound that a sheep makes. It's a verb and a noun as well. Let's use this word as a noun in our example sentence. The bars of the sheep kept me awake all night. Now let's use this word as a verb in our sentence. But first, let's know the verb forms. The root verb is ba, the past simple is bad, the past participle is bad, and the present participle is buying. We can also exchange this word with bleed, but I have chosen this word today for our vocabulary video. So now let's use this word as a verb in our sentence. The sheep looked at me angrily, bawed, and ran to hit me. Now let's see what's the third word we have for today. The third word is cab. It's both a verb and a noun. Let's use this word as a noun. A cab is a car that we use or we hire to go somewhere, and then we pay the cab driver some fare. Let's have an example sentence. We went to the cinema in a cab. Cab also refers to a compartment or to a part of a crane or truck where a driver sits and operates the crane or the truck. Now let's have an example sentence. The operator kept resting all day in the cab of his crane. We used cab as a noun in both of these sentences. Now let's use this word as a verb in our sentences, but first let's see the verb forms. The root verb is cab, the past simple is cabbed, the past participle is also cabbed, and the present participle is cabbing. Now the example sentence, we cabbed to the cinema at 10 o'clock. These were 3 words of today, or these were 3 words of vocabulary. And if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and like the video if you did. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.